Hello, welcome. This is our Shumatt's live channel. I'm Caitlin. Today we would like to show you one of our hot selling valve assembly for you. And now please, let's check it together. And firstly, I will show you the outside package is the blue VCR anti-rust bag. Here, this is the label. On the first line is our Shumatt's brand. The second line is the product code F00VC01359. Actually, logo label packages support customized service, and inside the transparent bottles can be better avoid damages during the transportation. Let's check it inside. 1 layers of the oil paper to wrap it up, and 6 months warranty time. You got the quality guaranteed. For this one, the plug cable inject number is 04451100293. Etc. More information, please check the information below this video. And the plug cable for VU car for GMC and Fulton, GAC, etc. On the valve cap, you can see here there is the coating figures on the groove, and this is the valve rose. If you want to clean this kind of valve assembly, you'd better to clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. Okay, that's all the information. So much for today. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. Bye. See you.